Shadows lurk deep inside, whispers clash while I hide. Light beams fight to survive, inner war keeps thoughts alive. Day and night blur my lines, seeking truth that twisted vines. Good and evil intertwined, struggle harsh within my mind. Dual nature, can't you see? Love and hate inside of me. Balance still, so will it be? Endless dance of destiny. Faces morph, change and brittle. Moments calm and moments kill. Fragile peace shines still, so fractured by its own thrill. Emerging from the battle scars, broken wings and falling stars. Harmony seems so far, lost in this inner war. Light fades, dark takes its place, haunting self in the chase. Every step needs all space. In my heart, the endless race. Yeah. Day and night blur my lines, seeking truth and twisted vines. Good and evil intertwined, struggle harsh within my mind. In my mind, in my mind. Double night, dual nature, can't you see? Love and hate inside of me. Balance still, smooth and let face. Endless dance of destiny. Faces morph, change and will. Moments calm and moments kill. Fragile peace shattered still, so fractured by its own thrill. In this dance of destiny, emerging from the battle scars, broken wings and falling stars. Harmony seems so far, lost in this civil war. Life takes dark takes its place. Love and hate inside of me. Balance tells the world that endless dance of destiny. Now